Alright, rolling. Hello, I'm Captain Useless and Sergeant Kitty. We're doing our thoughts on a couple of our friends. Like Italy, for starters. What do you think about Italy, Captain? Oh, Commander?
I love Italy.
Aww.
And he eats pasta. And I like pasta. Do you like pasta?
I love pasta.
Yes.
Italy, you're one of my favorites, and keep up the good work, bro. Make you some pasta later.
Yes.
And then Germany. He's a bit loud, isn't he?
I love Germany, though.
Germany's Deutsch cool. He just yells a lot.
Everybody's like, oh, he's so scary. But I'm like, no, he's so cute.
He has blonde hair and blue eyes.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what's up with him breaking that ancient chair?
That was Russia.
Oh, whatever. I always get them mixed up. Why?
Why? I don't know.
Explain it to me.
And then we have Japan. Hello. I refrain from speaking. I like tuna and sushi. Japan's cool. Japan, he makes video games and anime and all that cool stuff.
I wish I could draw.
I wish I could draw. And Japan, we need some art lessons, bro.
Yes! I can barely draw.
Oh, cappuccino thinks you're awesome too.
Oh, yeah. Cappuccino.
Cappuccino, my pet otter. You have people. Then there's America, right?
I love America.
America's awesome.
He's always eating burgers. Yeah.
Home and shotguns.
And so obnoxious.
Yep. He's awesome. He's got blonde hair and he's got glasses and he always says, "Iggy, dude, what's up?"
But they, yeah. Remember his plane?
His plane.
Thank you.
What
do I do with the camera? I don't like the face.
I like your face.
Thank you.
Okay, stop touching her face. I don't mean it that way. Near England, dude, you can't cook for your life. Stop it.
Crumpets.
Crumpets and tea and all your imaginary friends. I can see them too, though.
I think we all can.
We all can see them. Well, I'm Irish, so I can. I'm part of the United Kingdom. Yep.
I'm not.
And there's China, right? China's pretty cool. He's a dude, right?
I don't know.
Dude, I think you're a dude. But you're pretty awesome. You got there, you're cooking for everybody. You got Russia always looking to get with you. Always looking. And you got Russia. Hi, Russia. I think you're awesome.
We love you, Russia. I know everything about snow.
Don't jump up the airplane.
There's white stuff all over your pocket. Is that snow?
Oh my God, there's white stuff in my pocket. It's snow. I ran into Russia the other day, and he told me to go jump in the snow, and we did. Still, oh my God, it's all over my pants. It was all over my crotch too.
Is that from France?
Oh my God, it's France.
I'm attempting to draw it out.
France? France is pretty cool. You're a bit perverted, but you're awesome.
I love France.
I love France
It
too.
reminds me of me.
I know Blair's cousin.
What does sexual act mean?
Oh, snap. Grab her to like the babe.
Noises. Oh.
And who else is there? Lithuania, he's pretty cool, yeah?
Yeah.
Lithuania serves Russia. Then there's, he's part of the Baltic nations. There's Estonia. It's Estonia, I think. He's pretty cool, yeah? Yeah. And there's Lavita. Shut up, Lavita. You ruin everything.
I don't have any comment on that.
And then who else was there? Belarus. You freaking scared the hell out of me. Don't come after me. I'm sorry. Please don't come after me. Don't. You scared me. We'll tie you up in the closet.
I remember what you're talking about.
Yeah. We're going to rob you of your clothes. Tie you up in a closet. Naked. Then there's, Ukraine. Yeah, you're
Ukraine.
pretty.
Everybody says I'm like Ukraine too because of my baby.
You know.
Badonkadonks.
What? That means you have 2 hot dogs in your chest.
Hot dogs?
Badonkadonks are... You mean your 2 donuts. She means donuts.
Or hamburgers.
Hamburgers, America.
Think about you, America.
America, we got your favorite food right here. And then we have, oh wait, forgot somebody. Canada.
Canada, hold on.
What did she, oh my god. She's a kleptomaniac, she stole your bear, Mr. Komajiro.
Yeah.
Canada.
Canada. Who?
Canada.
Who?
You know, America's little brother.
Who?
I'm sorry, Canada.
I don't know who I steal from. I just know what I steal from.
The floating bear guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy at the conference. And we have Spain. The Kingdom of Passion. What is this? What is this? Did you dance them now? You're
Whoop,
shake?
whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh, that's amazing. Skip. And then we have, Italy has a brother, right? Romano? Romano, you and your tomatoes, bro. What's up, dog? You gotta hang out sometime.
I'm really bad at this.
Who else is there? We got, who else?
It's big.